This tutorial shows how to connect Social by Greenwood apps to Claude using custom connectors. Click here to access the Claude application menu. Click Settings within the Claude application menu to access configuration options. Click here to open the Connector Settings menu. Click Add Custom Connector to begin creating a new integration. Enter Social by GWA as the name for the custom connector. Enter the MCP Server URL for Social by Greenwood Apps. You can find the URL below this video in the description. Click Add to save the new custom connector configuration. Click Connect to start the connection process with the custom connector. You'll see a new browser pop-up to log into your Social by GWA account. Log into your account. Click Accept to grant the necessary permissions for integration. Back inside of Claude's Connectors menu, click Configure to access additional settings for the connector. Click Always, Allow to permit ongoing access without repeated prompts. Click New Chat to begin interacting with Claude using your connected Social by Greenwood Apps account. Now is a good time to verify your connection. Try asking, "What's my Social by GWA user information?" Claude should successfully call the Social by GWA tools and return information about your account, connected platforms, and any existing posts. That's it. You're now connected to Social by Greenwood Apps. Once connected, you can use Claude to schedule a single post. For example, type, "Schedule a LinkedIn post for tomorrow at 9 a.m. about our new product launch or bulk content creation." Simply type, "Create 30 posts for my Instagram account, 1 per day for November," and so much more. For troubleshooting or feedback, check below this video for more information and how to contact the developers directly. Thank you for watching.